Hey guys, we're going to make a Picasso-style cubism face. So we're going to have two colors. And first thing we need to do is take off a little piece, maybe about even a little older, a little bit of each color that's going to be kept for details. So we take a little bit of each color off and we leave it to the side for details. Okay. So now we're going to make a flat shape. So you can see I'm pinching it slightly. I'm not pinching so hard that it squeezes my fingers all the way together. We want to have it thick enough so it doesn't burn and doesn't break. It doesn't have to be a perfect circle or anything. Cubism didn't have really realistic shapes, so it's okay if it's kind of weird or bumpy. That's fine. Okay, so once you've got your shape, you're going to take your other piece and you're going to try and make the half of the shape again with the nose. Okay, so what I mean by that is you're going to flatten out this other piece. I didn't need all of it. Let's see. I might need more though. Okay, and you're going to try and make it fit on top. And then we again don't want it too thin. Okay, and so now I'm going to just pinch to make a little nose shape, and if it's too pointy you can smush it back in. Okay, so now I've got a little point coming out like a nose. I'm going to lay it on top and gently press them together and let this one curl around the edge. Now don't push too hard because you don't want it to stick to the table. In fact, you can even pick it up to kind of pinch the edge. Okay, so here we've got our little under Picasso face. So now we kept this stuff to the side because we're going to make details with it. So on this side we're going to make an eye out of this color. So take a little piece off, roll it until you get a little shape like this, and set it where you want the eye to be. The good thing about cubism, the fun thing, is that it doesn't have to be in like the correct place. Kind of things can be shifted and moved around. And then on the other one, you could make another eye the same way. I think it'd be cute to make it like a winky eye. So I'm going to roll a little coil in my fingers. See, I'm making it a little coil. Oops. And then I'm going to curve it to make this eye closed. Now anytime I'm making something, I'm patting it down until, see how it adheres? If I just set it on there and don't make sure it's touching it, adhering all the way, it could pop off when it bakes. Okay, and then on this side I'm going to make a little bit of a mouth. With another little coil. Finish the mouth on the other side. And you could change the expression. That's up to you. So you can see how I made the meat right there in the middle. Now I want this eye to be able to see, so I'm going to put a little, gotta be very small, a little dot in the center. And little tiny eyelashes on this one. And maybe one little nostril. Okay. And then my leftover pieces, I can add a little rim if I want. If you don't have any left over, that's okay. You don't have to. You could also put like eyebrow. So I'm rolling it out. Make a little rim. Just to kind of bring it together. If you don't have enough for that, it's okay. This is extra. Alright, and again, I have to make sure it's stuck on. If it is not pinched to it, it will pop off when it bakes. So I'm going around and I'm pinching it to make sure it's really adhered to the other color. And you can kind of stretch it and get it how you want it once it's all stuck together. There's my little Picasso face. Okay guys, have fun.